Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get internet when you want to travel to Portugal, and also how you can get the data. In my opinion, this is one of the best way how you can get data in Portugal. So there are two ways how we can do it. The first way that you would get to the store and you would get a SIM card. Or the second way is that you can use a site called like Maya Mobile, which is going to allow you to get an eSIM, and the whole process is so simple. So let me show you how it works. Here on a search, I'm going to write Portugal. And of course, you're going to have discount and everything down below in the description. So you're going to have Portugal. And here you have option to choose between 10 days, 15 days, and 30 days. So let's say you're going to be there for 14 days. So you're going to choose the 15 days package. And here you're going to choose how many gigabytes you need. So let's say how much data you need. And let's say I want to go for 10 gigabytes of data, which is pretty great for even watching videos if you want to. So activate now. And right here, you're going to find that you're going to get 10% discount from me. And you're going to have the starting date, when you're going to travel there, and how many days you want to have it. Of course, you can have auto recharge on and off. And how does it work is that you're going to get, when you would pay, you would get an email QR code that you have to activate it. So you would just scan the QR code when it's going to get to your email with your phone. Then automatically it's going to activate the card for you. Then you just have to restart the phone and you're good to go. And then you can use it. You have also the setup here. Another really important thing is that down below in the description, you're going to have a tutorial on how you can activate the eSIM with Maya Mobile. And also another thing, you need to have a phone that is going to be compatible with eSIM. This is like another great thing where you would like eSIM compatible phones, Maya, and you would have all the list there. Now, another way how you can do it is use Airalo. You can have also discount down below in the description. So here I'm going to write Portugal. Okay. And here you can have again the plans. Now, many times they are much cheaper on Maya Mobile. So here I'm going to, let's say, choose this one right here. I will click US Buy Now. Then here I will just apply the code and I'm good to go, and that's it. So the same thing with Airalo as of Maya Mobile. You can have the QR code that you have to scan, and you would just scan it, and that's pretty much it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. But this is pretty much it on how you can get data in Portugal without actually going to store and trying to buy, you know, the regular SIM card. And this is how you can do it, and you're gonna get just the good results and good data with the good reviews from it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.